darlings. Welcome back for another episode of Look What Meg Found. I am your host, Meg Campbell, and I am here to show you all of the amazing things I find from small businesses in my day-to-day life. I am a small business owner of a handcrafted business, so I spend a lot of my weekends and a lot of my time, honestly, out at markets, either selling my own goods or networking with other creators. I spend a lot of time online doing the exact same thing. And I find these amazing small businesses that I know that you don't see because you can't possibly be everywhere that I am at the same time I am. So I am here today with another DIY kit. By now, you all know I love the DIY kits. I absolutely love them. They're a whole lot of fun. And it's a great way for me to be able to flex crafting muscles without all of the time and financial investment in buying all of the things to set up to try something. So DIY kits are absolutely fun. Today is really fun. I always want to make paper crafted things, my own handmade cards, my own, one of these things is a popcorn bunny. It's a cute little giftable for Easter. And I know that I cannot cut on a straight line. If you draw it out, give me a ruler and a rotary cutter so I can hold it down, cut it straight. It's not happening. I cannot cut a straight line. So Holiday Creations by Rebecca, whom you all have already seen the full review on. I will link to it. It will be the pinned comment down below so that you can watch the full review and see everything that she does and hear her story. But she has started putting out DIY kits. And I cannot tell you how excited I am because now I can order a kit, make cards for whatever occasion, have the pride in my work that I have made a handmade card without the frustration that comes with knowing I can't cut a straight line, let alone on curves and make fancy things. So I have her popcorn bunny. I have 4 cards, but we're only going to do 2 of the cards today. The other 2 I'm going to do as a giveaway. And I will give you all the information to sign up for that. So give me just a second to reset my rig completely so that I can show you guys how I do this. And I will show you. Hang on. All right, darlings, I am back. And we are going to do a popcorn bunny and 2 cards from Holiday Creations by Rebecca. I'm really excited about these. I love the idea of paper crafting, but I know it's something that I can't do. So when you get your kits, I've already taken them out of the cellophane wrapper because I know you guys don't want to listen to that rattling on camera. So you have your instructions. I do have them a little off camera so I have enough room that you guys can see what I'm actually working on. But for this, you need Scotch tape, which I already used because you need to tape down the top of the package. That way it's very square and secure. You need glue, scissors, and the microwave popcorn. So I have the microwave popcorn. I have scissors. I have glue. Let's do this. So we Scotch tape the cellophane. We're going to remove the tape backing from one of the narrow ends. You have the narrow end and the long side. We're going to remove the tape from one of these. Maybe, if I can get this to cooperate with me. Okay. Attach the popcorn, lining the package up with the bottom edge of the paper that does not have the seal tape. So this is the seal tape. So we're going to line it up. Like that. Stick it down. Wrap it around the popcorn. Remove this tape backing right here so we get the tape. And stick it down. Hey, look, I wrapped popcorn. Glue the pink ovals to the white ovals to make the bunny's ears. White ovals pink ovals. Oh, I can do this. I can do this, guys. I say that, and then I can't pick up a piece of paper. I still apply glue like I'm in grade school. Okay. These are glued down. Glue the white half-inch circles to the black circles to make eyes. I can do this. Guys, I'm loving this. This is very simple. Well. Okay, you all see how skilled I am at making things, which is funny because I am a professional crafter. All right. Now we have eyes. Okay, this is bugging me because it's slightly off center. Remove the tape from the top edge right here. Again, maybe if my fingers will decide to cooperate. Okay. Now we're going to take our ears and stick them to the tape. And squeeze it closed. Okay. We're going to put on our eyes. The next step is to put on the eyes and the cheeks. So, dots for the eyes. Now we have our eyes on. Okay, so set the cheeks on. And I am doing these exactly down the directions, guys. That's why this is taking a little longer. Just for the fun of it, I do not do these in advance. We do them live on camera together. So we're going to slide this under. So we have a little mouth. Now that we know where the mouth is going to be, that will determine the cheeks. Little dot of glue. Glue down that cheek. Glue down this cheek. And this cute little heart makes the nose. Scooch everything back together. That is what I love about this wonderful Elmer's glue, is it makes it very easy and very forgivable to reposition until it dries. So I have some time to make mistakes and slide things around. Oh, look, guys, he's got a little face. That's too cute. Now we're going to slide the ribbon under so it's right under the mouth, and tie a bow. Y'all are about to see my wonderful bow tying skills. I'm sure there's a better way to do this, and I am sure that you all will tell me exactly how I did this wrong, because I am really bad at bows. So y'all feel free to give me all the tips on how to tie the pretty bows, because it's not something I have ever been able to actually do. And we're going to grab these scissors and trim the end of this so that it's a little more the same. There. Now we're going to glue this sentiment card to the scalloped circle, making sure that we do not cover up the hole at the top, and making sure that it is lined up properly-ish. Going to take our little piece of twine, stick it through, and tie this to the bow. So I'm going to slide one end under, slide this a little more to the top. Oh, look, guys, we have a popcorn bunny. This is too cute. How sweet is this to give away to people who are visiting around Easter, or to drop off at people's houses for Easter? This is way too cute. So that is the popcorn bunny kit. I kind of love that. Now let's get into the part that I'm really excited about, because I always want to make my own cards, but I don't have the skill level. So another set of directions, kind of off camera again, but that's so I have enough room that you guys can see what I'm doing. All right, we have the envelope. We can set that up there. So with this card, it's going to open up. So step one is to take the white card that says "Yay Presents" and glue it inside of this card, inside of the card. So got the glue on. Put this down and get it centered. Okay. Smooth that down. Make sure we don't have too much escaping glue. So that is in. Now we have the center in where you'll be able to write your sentiments. I'm going to take the white piece that says "Happiest of Birthdays" and the green piece and attach them together. Same process, glue around the edge and then line it up so that you have the green border. Got that done. So we're going to set this up here for now. Take the small piece of cardstock, line up and center. Okay, I get what we're doing. We're making the stack of presents. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue right here. going to line it up and center, line it up even with the bottom and then center it across. Now we're going to take the orange piece and I'm going to change it up. Nope, not the orange piece. Y'all about did that wrong. We're going to take the yellow piece. And center it above the green piece. Now we're going to take the orange piece and put it right here at the top. So now we have our present stack made. Take the piece of white, thin white cardstock that's got tape at each end and tell my orange cardstock to sit down and behave and be glued properly because it wants to run away. Okay, now take this white piece and run a line of glue up the back. You want the tape to face up. And center it in the middle. Now we're going to remove the tape. Not the tape itself, the covering over the tape. I keep saying remove the tape. What I mean is remove this little cover from the top of the tape. So you're exposing the tape so we can work with it. And sometimes this tape likes to stick really well, which is a good thing. Okay. Got that cover off. Okay, now take this piece of ribbon. Again, this has little pieces of tape on the back too. Center it over the white piece of cardstock so that you have some at the top and at the bottom where the tape is. Because now we're going to take this and remove the cover off the tape again and wrap it around the back. How cute is that? We have a little stack of presents with the bow on, with the ribbon running up the middle of it. Take the piece of ribbon that does not have tape on it and tie it in a knot. This part I can do. Bows, not so much. Knots, I'm good at that. Add a little dot of glue to whatever side you want to and put it right here at the top of your stack of presents. And I'm going to hold that for a second so that it glues while I read the next one. And while that is sticking, I'm going to do the step I missed. I did miss a step on this, guys. I forgot to glue the green piece that we put the happiest of birthdays on to the card it goes on. Oops. Like I said in the beginning, guys, I'm not a professional paper crafter. This is just something that I really want to do. And Rebecca of Holiday Creations by Rebecca has made this so easy for me to be able to do. I can do this. This is awesome. I'm really enjoying this. I keep forgetting to talk to y'all because I'm having so much fun doing this. My ribbon still wants to run away. So I'm just squeezing it down so it'll quit running away. The final step is to take this sheet of dimensionals. These are little dimensional foam pads. And stick them to the presents. And my knot fell off. I'll fix that in a second. These are adhesive on one side and then have a little paper backing on the front that you need to peel off. So we're going to stick one at the top, one at the bottom, and then one at each side. That way this will be a dimensional card. I should have stuck it on before I peeled the back off. I realized that as soon as it stuck to my finger. So stick it on and then peel the backing off. And I'm doing it again. Stick it on and then peel the backing up. And with your last little dimensional foam piece, we're going to stick it right in the middle. Right there. Now take your stack of presents, line it up above the happiest of birthdays, and press on it so the dimensionals will stick, and put your bow back on because my bow keeps trying to escape. I know the bow would stick better if I would use a stronger glue than Elmer's, but I'm a messy crafter and I like things I can wash off my hands. And Elmer's glue is something that's simple that pretty much anybody has in their house. So, look, we made a happiest of birthday cards. I'm really, guys, I'm excited. I love the idea of being able to make cards, and now playing with these kits from Rebecca, I can't. So I'm going to move these directions out of the way so you guys don't have to keep staring at them. And set that one right there. And it does come with an envelope so you can mail it, but we don't need that right now. Let's do one more card, guys. As soon as I scoot the trash over, because my OCD self does not like the trash building up right here. So this is the Happy Easter card. Again, we have the envelope. I'm going to set it to the side. We don't need it right now. All right. This is so cute. It's already stamped on the inside, wishing you your day is colorful, bright, and cheerful. So step one is we're going to take this piece of colored cardstock and glue it right here. Stand up. Okay, lay down. And I am sure there is a much better choice for glue than Elmer's glue. But again, it's something that's very easy to come by, and it's something I always have in my house because I have kids. And I'm messy, so I like things that will wash off when I get it all over the place. So we glued this down. We're going to glue the bow to this adorable little bunny. I bet this bow stays better than the last one I tried to stick on. Okay. Now our bunny has a bow. Remove the backing. I'm catching up, guys. Okay, we're going to glue the part that says Happy Easter to the colored scallop. These already have the dimensional foam on the back. So I'm going to peel the layer off of the adhesive on the foam. Gonna stick my bow back on. Clearly, guys, I need to let the glue dry a little longer before I pick them up and handle them. But I don't want to make you guys sit here while I'm waiting on glue to dry because that's just not fun. Now we're going to put the bunny on the card. I love the fact that these are all dimensional, so these cards are not flat. Everything stands out a little bit. And we're going to take the back off of the Happy Easter scallop. It's the same dimensional dots. We're just going to peel the backing off of them. And put it on. And just like that, that simply, guys, we have made an Easter card. I really like this. I am really excited about this. So give me just a second to clean up my mess, and we'll be right back. Hello, darlings. Welcome back. Thank you for hanging with me. I know that was a long one, but in those 25 minutes we spent together, we made 3 projects. And again, you heard me say it 100 times. I'm going to say it again. I want to be able to paper craft, but I know that I cannot and do not have the patience to cut out all of the pieces. So I'm about to hop over to holidaycreationsbyrebecca.com and go ahead and order my cards so I can start making cards for, I'm probably going to miss Easter because let's be honest, yeah. Probably going to miss Easter, but I'd like to start making birthday cards and be able to send them to people. So let me do a quick recap. We did the popcorn bunny. This thing is too stinking cute. I love this idea for dropping them off at people's houses to say, just to say Happy Easter. I love it. We did the Happy Easter card. And I love that these are dimensional cards. This is not flat. And we also did the happiest of birthdays with the yay presents on the inside. This one was fun. So thank you so much for sticking around with me. Do remember that I have 2 more DIY kits that will go up on a giveaway video. So stay tuned for that. If you like everything that you saw today, go ahead and make sure you click the subscribe button, like this video, leave me some comments. And I am off to find more things, whether it's a DIY kit or more products to show you. Who knows? But I will see you next time. Bye, guys.